So this is our aquarium type PC cases. They both have the same chassis in the color white, in the color black. Both of them are built with so-called dual chamber system, so that most of the cable can be hidden on the smaller chamber, and you can have the neat look in the main chamber. And both support the new motherboard format. It's called Back Connect motherboard from ASUS, from MSI, and from Gigabyte. That means that the motherboard connector traditionally are built in the front side, but with the Back Connect motherboard system, the connectors are hidden on the rear side. And besides, it has a very convenient design for the dust filter. You can take out the dust filter to shake it and to remove the dust in the button and also on the top. So you can easily remove the dust. Each system with 6 pre-built RGB fans. So the retail price at the moment in Germany, it is 79 euro, and this one will be about 84 to 89 euro because it is still new. It will be launched, I think, in November, roughly. This is the Hunter 3 series. We used to have Hunter 2 and Hunter 1 because they are very successful, so we keep on developing the new successor from Hunter 1 to Hunter 2 to Hunter 3. Both are using the same chassis. This one is equipped with the RGB fan. This one is equipped with the dark fan. And both support the E80X format motherboard, the bigger size. So this is our new product. It will be introduced in the German market in the end of November. The retail price will be around 59 euro. It is equipped with 20 centimeter ventilator, so that it ensures to have enough air intake and also can work at a very quiet situation. Totally, we have 2 storages for the HDD and 2 storages for the SSD. So totally you have 4 storage places. This is our all-in-one water cooling systems. All the water are sealed in the pipe and the radiators. And this is the daisy chain connected fan. That means that only one cable is needed. Traditionally, each fan has its own individual cables. And with the daisy chain connecting system, you need only just one cable. So it will be very good for the cable management. And we have 360 type and also 240 type. We have the color black and the color white. And we have the RGB system. We have the traditional black system. The retail price for this one RGB system is about 99 euro, and this one is about 89 euro. These are our PC power supply products. We have 80 plus platinum series. We have gold series. We have bronze series. Depends on your budget. And all of these 6 PSU, they support the latest PCIe Gen 5 connector, so that you can use your NVIDIA 5090 or Intel B60 graphic cards. With the bigger M, you can have the 850 watt, 1000 watt, and they both are good enough for 5090 VGA card. And if you use the 5060 or 5070, then the Vita series will be good enough.